What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another NASCAR Diecast unboxing. We've got 5 2023 NASCAR Diecast, pretty brand new releases to get to. But first, a little bonus here is we got a custom NASCAR Diecast straight off of eBay. Let's bring it out. I happened to get this same day, so in a little bit of a donor box, we've got Chase Elliott's 2016 American Red Cross Chevy. So this is almost, I'd say, the only scheme that he's ran that hasn't really been produced by Lionel officially. Let me get it out, show it real quick. This is one of my least favorite Chase Elliott schemes that he's raced in. But since it was never released, I figured as a Chase Elliott fan, it'd be a pretty cool thing to have a custom of. So it looks really good. Positive feedback coming for this seller. This raced in the 2016 playoff cutoff race at Richmond, the regular season cutoff race. I think back then it was still at Richmond. So again, just a little bit of a quick added bonus to this video. Pretty cool. But now we'll definitely get into the box here. So we got some packing peanuts to get out of the way. We'll try to bring them out one at a time, see what we got. First up, let's see, we've got Erik Jones and his Guns N' Roses number 43. Legacy Motor Club 2023 season. Guns N' Roses. Daytona 500 scheme here. Pretty cool, pretty basic, but I like it. Sweet looking ride here. Erik Jones, Legacy Motor Club. They usually don't miss with their schemes, so no surprise there. Let's see what we got next. It will be another Erik Jones. This is his Allegiant number 43. Legacy Motor Club Chevy. About to be Legacy Motor Club Toyota next year. But we got 2 Erik Jones to start off the box here. Pretty sweet. So we'll move on to the next one. Let's see what I can bring out here. We've got Corey LaJoie in his number 7 Chevy. I'm not sure how to even pronounce that. Let's go with Team Negu. It could be totally off. Pretty looking scheme here. Nice blue down the side up top with the black front, white back. Nice little contrasting deal there. Spire Motorsports. Corey LaJoie recently locked down that extension for Spire. Pretty cool for him. Pretty cool for the team to keep growing together. So another cool one here. Let's see, we got 2 more here in the box. We've got Ty Gibbs and his number 54 Interstate Batteries Toyota Camry for Joe Gibbs Racing. Rookie scheme here. One of his rookie schemes, of course. Basically, the whole team runs this car, but I'll probably only get it for Ty Gibbs for his rookie stripes, rookie scheme. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So we've got one more left in the box to wrap up, and it's going to be Matty D, Matt DiBenedetto, in his number 25 Rackley Talladega win. Rackley Roofing, number 25 Chevy. Talladega raced winning diecast here. You can see the damage inside the box here. Of course, that was a pretty cool finish, pretty exciting finish last year, Talladega. So this one will be pretty nice to get out of the box and take a look at all that damage. And for an added bonus, I'm going to just go ahead and do it right now. So here we are, just a quick little bonus again. We got a bonus at the beginning of the video and a bonus at the end. We're going to get a little bit of a diecast review here, because this one's worth showing off out of the box. We got a ton of damage on the front. Down the side, good for him. Luckily, not much going on down this side. 25 Rackley roofing car, or truck, I should say. Then we get to the back. A little bit more scuffing and damage. Then we get to this side, where Ben Rhodes and others banged him coming to the line. So we got a bunch of damage back here that is difficult to replicate on diecast, but nonetheless looks great. Of course, big donuts down the 25 on this side. So I recommend this diecast above all others in this review, I guess. A little unboxing, because this is a sweet one. 124, I think, is coming out soon, even this week, I believe. But that should do it for this one. If you guys can leave a comment on which diecast you liked the best from this video, that'd be sweet. Let's bring in a little bit of this custom here. Keep checking in for more. Subscribe for more. Thank you guys for checking this one out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate it.